Hey guys, welcome to the Petal Place property. My name is Peaches. If this is your first time here, how are you today? Wagwan in Jamaican patois. Now, if you notice, I am inside of a building, and that building is my country studio slash shop. Yeah, and I am just gonna give you guys a glimpse of what I was doing yesterday. I'm taking you in the innermost part. Yeah, I'm getting ready to go outside for a bit in the garden because the day can't finish without I get in the garden and get something done, right? And yeah, so I'm taking you in the innermost part of my sewing design studio country at that in the countryside. Yeah, it's at the Petal Place property, and just show you a little bit of a part of my world. Here we go, guys. Now I say the innermost part because this is where I store a lot of the materials and supplies that I work with. Yeah, I have pretty low ceilings in here, but I make it work. There's that part over there. I can stand up straight. Over here, I have to bend my neck a little bit, but it's not like I work in here 24/7, so I am just fine. Right. So yeah, yesterday I spent some time and I tidied up, I cleaned up and sort my stuff out. And yeah, I'm trying to get rid of rats because there are some tiny rats that are not, well, call them mice because they're not, some of them bigger than my thumb here. And so they come through the tiniest of holes. So I'm trying to rat proof everything. Yeah, so let's back out now. And there is, yeah, see that right there? A couple of lampshades that I'm covering for a customer. I've already done one and I'll be doing the other one soon. But yeah, this table here is the only table left in the space that I have to clear. Now, while I was clearing, I dumped some stuff on it. And so I have to go through that maybe tomorrow or the day after. No big rush because I don't sit there to sew right now. But yeah, we are going out. And now I'm in the area where I have my cutting table and I have fabrics, and I actually use this space to do decor design and sewing lessons for my other YouTube channel. Yeah. The other channel is done in my other name, which is Valerine Vernon. So it's Valerine Vernon, aka Peaches, because Peaches is my pet name, and Valerine is my given name. I'm going back here into a dark hole. Let's see if we can turn on the light and maybe open the door. Yeah, I'll open the door to give you lovely people a little glimpse of what I have in here. Yeah. So in here I have a ton of artwork. So if you're anywhere in the vicinity, even if you're in Toronto, Quebec, wherever you are, if you see this video, we are located at 177 Bowen Road. Come on over and take some of this artwork off my hands. Oh yeah, you can get wholesale. I do wholesale and retail. So yeah, this is where I like to call the gallery. And recently, I gave my husband a little workstation here because he is a certified computer technician, computer analyst. Yeah, he does make computer and service computer and do all that good stuff. And he is trying to get a space ready in the garage to set up his office slash shop because he does sell computers too. However, we have so much that we're doing around here, so that I eked out a little works area here for him so he can see customers here. And yeah, all those pillows up there, guys, I made them with my own two little hands. hands. Just as I do the arbors. Here I have some shawls and table runners and curtains. But as I said, guys, if you're in the area, just give me a call and we can set something up, because I really don't get customers coming in here. For the 7 years I've set up the shop now, I maybe got a dozen people passing through, and so yeah, I don't always keep it open, and I don't let it bog me down. I just keep moving and doing what I enjoy doing, which is this for one, and doing my lessons for the other channel, because yes, I am a certified interior decorator. And yeah, so yeah, let's get back to what I was saying, is that the shop is mostly closed because I don't get foot traffic here. Lots of people pass. I advertise in the community groups or the town groups, but I really don't get people coming in. And so I would prefer if I like get a phone call to set up appointments or arrangements for people to come by. And so yeah, give me a call. I have a website, which is, I'll just link it in the description box. But yeah, we're getting down into the area where you would come. Well, you'd come in the gallery too, but this is where part of where you would come if you came to visit me. Let's get some light on here so that you can see stuff a little better than they're showing right now. Yeah, we have more artwork here. I call it a treasure box, right? All these handbags and stuff here, guys, I make them with my own two little hands, believe it or not. Yeah, over there we have more vintage stuff here. Let's go over here, and I think I'm gonna have to turn the light on over here too, so that you're better able to see some of the stuff that's here. Yeah, all these pillows. Check this one out. Check this one out. Pretty stylish. Yeah, I designed this and I make it. And I do custom work. And yeah, when I was in Toronto, I did work for a few people. Out in the countryside, I really don't get much to do. I have a client, which is pretty cool to have. Wish I could get some more clients. So yeah, I'm a certified interior decorator. If you need any decorating or design or organization help, let's move around. Yeah, lots and lots and lots of stuff here, guys, for you to pick and choose from. But check that out, all the way up there and across. And look at the milk glass. Oh, the milk glass. Yes, the milk glass. Yeah, and on the table here I have pretty unique vintage teapots and plates and stuff like that you can check out and choose from. There we go, going around. The one thing though, I don't have heat in the space right now, so my hubby actually bought a propane stove, and he's gonna give me heat, and I'm so happy because he is now a certified HVAC technician. Yeah, he's a man of many trades, and I'm so happy for that, because he's able to do a lot around here that we could never pay to do, right? So yeah, he is going to install my stove for me. He has his gas one and his gas too. Yeah, well, I think he had his gas one first, then he got his gas too. So the gas one doesn't really matter anymore. The gas one is really what you need if you are going to work with somebody. But when you get the gas too, then you can work on your own. And so I'm so happy that he got his certification. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, it's a lot to take in, guys. A lot. Sometimes I come in and I look at them and I say, oh, how I wish. How can I advertise more than I'm doing now? Like, I'm doing all the town groups and stuff, and I do social media. Sometimes I think I'm getting the word out, but then it falls flat and I really get no sales here. But yeah, I have these hats here. They're $10 each if you're interested. I didn't do them. One of my customers, who is now a very good friend of mine, did all these cute little hats, and I told her that I would go ahead and put them in the shop and see if I can sell off some of them for her. Haven't been able to sell any yet because there's nobody passing through, but yeah, check this angle out, guys. There's a lot. Like, going through here, my camera can't do justice to capture everything, but I think you got the idea. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. I appreciate it immensely, because a part of what I do on the channel is actually, I treat it as a business, right? As a part of what I am doing out here in the countryside. So thank you guys so much for your support. Now, there are some times when I hear people asking for subscribers, and they will say that it costs you nothing to subscribe, it costs you nothing to support the channel. I'm not going to say it costs you nothing, because it does take some time, right? And time is money, as we say. And so, yeah, you don't pay to subscribe, but you do use your time. And so I appreciate the time that you give to me on the channel, the time that you take to be in the garden with me. And yeah, I'm giving you ideas, but so are you. You're giving me something, and I appreciate it immensely. Thanks for sharing. Please drop your comments in the, there's so many mosquitoes in here. Like, please drop your comments or ask your questions below, and I will be sure to respond to them. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing if what I do on the channel here is of any interest to you. And remember now, dare to be different, follow your own star. Everybody may have an opinion of you, but the most important opinion is the one you have of yourself. You take care now. I will see you in the next video.